Hey, how's it, Sim Racers? Today we're diving into the Thrustmaster T818 wheelbase, but I've got to address a couple of concerns. Firstly, let's talk about the flex. After putting it to the test, I haven't really noticed any flex in the shaft, particularly during intense rally sessions. Although this flex is not ideal and can affect precision. And there's another snag also. These squeaky plastic sounds. While driving, there's a noticeable plastic squeak that can be a bit distracting. Headphones can help and may be tolerable for a person in the same room as you. Listen for yourself. Well, okay, despite its impressive performance, these drawbacks are worth considering before taking the plunge into the T818. If you guys like to see more insights, hit that like and subscribe.